Today, guys, we're gonna be showing you a glitch on how to become a quote-unquote Roomba, is what I call it, basically. And with it, you can't. The only place where you can move around in it that I've been able to get to is I've only been able to move around in the mall. Okay, so first, you see this sign right here? It just has to be the sign. It doesn't matter if it's in this update. I mean, they'll eventually patch it.
So I'm the last level monkey, right?
You gotta get under it, and then you click your home button, and you see my controller is right under. Sometimes it doesn't work. Under the ground. Gorilla tug.
Wait, so you're an emo kid?
Might take a couple tries.
No way.
And then
I think he just likes them.
and then once you can't see your arms anymore, they should be under the map. And then you're classified as a Roomba.
Wait, so are you the real Elliot?
Quick and short, pretty
Why is the
easy.
beach ball in the inside the sand?
Hey guys, how you doing?
I just want to be like him. So people believe that I'm actually him. But then they find out I don't have the feet, man. I put on caves. I don't even have caves. So I put on city's badge. No, what badge am I wearing? What badge am I wearing right now? No badge.
Got it.
Oh, wait.
Oh, I forgot my badge. Oh no.
I thought I had one on.
Ow. I hurt myself. I should get the city badge.
You guys hear that?
I should do that.
I'm playing my instrument.
Oh, yeah, but
Never mind. I have the
I'm changing my thing to my original username.
Under the map.
children.
Under the sea. But make sure not to get your arms out from under the ground. So I'm going to do it again. And I'm going to show you another trick.
Hey, so
Like something else that you can do with it.
Back to my old one named Mr. Top.
So put your arms around.
Still that last person.
Oh, didn't work.
Where's the last person at?
Stand up. Arms on.
Mr. Top sounds like this.
And,
This is really what he sounds creepy. Don't do that. That's just
and guys, learn this from my brother.
I don't know why he sounds like that.
So, okay, I'm under. And if you want to with walls, you put your arm like on the wall. Well, that came out, but my arm is like right here in the wall. Oh Lord!
Want to go do the private code?
Yo, Purple, where are you?
Okay, I'm gonna go on casual. What?
Where are you, Purple?
I'm being a monkey.
What if we do Mr. Top?
Okay, so that's it.
I see you, Purple. I'm gonna get you, Purple.
Wait, please! I'm trying to stop recording, man. Please, I'm trying to stop recording my video, man.
Okay,
Please.
I'll wait for you. You can stop it. You can stop it.
Are you kidding me?
No, please, bro, please.
Bye, guys.
Please,
If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. Usually don't see
the basement.
I don't really like. How do I say it? Like,
Yeah.
I don't like ask. Like, usually I don't want to like just to like and subscribe because when people say that, I feel like they're like trying to force you to. Or something.
There's no way.
So, enjoy.
I just gotta stay.
Yeah.